CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML. It defines how elements should be displayed on various media, such as screens, paper, or other devices. Key aspects of CSS. Separation of concerns. CSS promotes the separation of content, HTML, from presentation, CSS. This makes websites easier to maintain, update, and more flexible for different design requirements. Styling and layout. CSS controls the visual appearance and layout of web pages. This includes typography, fonts, sizes, colors, line heights, text alignment. Colors and backgrounds. Colors for text, backgrounds, and borders. Box model. Margins, borders, padding, and content dimensions of elements. Layout. Positioning elements, creating multi-column layouts, and responsive design for different screen sizes. Visual effects. Transitions, transformations, animations, and shadows. Syntax. CSS rules consist of a selector and a declaration block. Selector points to the HTML elements to be styled, e.g., p.classname, #IDname. Declaration block contains one or more declarations, each including a property, e.g., color, font size, and its corresponding value, e.g., blue, 16px, separated by a colon. Multiple declarations are separated by semicolons. Cascading and specificity. The cascading in CSS refers to how styles are applied and how conflicts are resolved when multiple rules apply to the same element. Specificity determines which rule takes precedence, with more specific rules overriding less specific ones. External, internal, and inline styles. External styles defined in a separate CSS file and linked to the HTML document. This is the recommended approach for maintainability. Internal styles defined within a style tag in the HTML document's head section. Inline styles applied directly to an HTML element using the style attribute. This is generally discouraged for larger projects as it mixes content and presentation. Advantages. Time saving. Write CSS once and reuse it across multiple HTML pages. Easy maintenance. Global style changes can be made with a single modification.